Wow, I look like this HD camera makes me look hot garbage, like hot garbage. Anyway, I hate how detailed this is. I hate how detailed this is. Don't look at me. So what we're gonna do now is that's much better. What we're gonna do now is clean the garage and start this video. Get waxing for wide body part number 3. So as you can see, now we're gonna start waxing this. So that should be pretty neat. But it's looking pretty damn good. Everything's starting to really come together. We're just about to finish up this side here. It's got to sand a little bit here. And then we got to get that smoothed out. And then that should be mint. So also what we got to do is we got to wet sand this. Or well, to like wax it or whatever. We got to completely de-dust the whole entire garage. So there can't be a speck of dirt anymore. Boys and girls,
primered, we're ready to go, we're done sanding, and it's super smooth and soft, silky. So, we're next step here, this is all primered, it's got your foam, fiberglass, and Bondo, and then primer. And
so much Bondo.
So much, like gallons. And that's why we look like we have our own World War I German camouflage over here. Because you can see every color here. Pink, all the colors. Anyway, all the colors, you even see the fiberglass coming through here. Anyway, so next we got to wax the whole thing, which is about 14 layers, and each layer takes an hour. Some of you guys may go, that's not true. Well, that's certain waxes. Certain waxes take like one every 8 hours, but mine is one every hour. So anyway, that's going to take a day. Then after 14 layers of wax, which also fixes all these little pinholes, you just fill them up with wax to stay smooth. And with that, then me and Aiden can spray on the orange tooling gel coat, which you guys will see, and then we throw on fiberglass, lots of fiberglass. It's gonna look like a tumor version of itself. And then little rods for stiffening, and then we leave it for a week, and then we destroy all of this.
Yay!
Which is the fun part, because then the car's free to roam outside and away from this garage, and then and then it'll go back to open wheeled car. As if nothing happened.
And the wheels will spin again.
They'll spin again, which we haven't seen in a while, and possibly we'll start the engine. Maybe it will start this time, maybe it won't. We don't know. Crap box.
Anyways,
it's not dusty in here, which is cool. So I have washed the car.
Yep.
Right after wet sanding it. So now we're applying on wax, which is what we need to separate from the gel coats and the mold overall. So we got to apply this like 14 layers.
Yep, no more sanding. We finally got the garage clean. And by we, I mean entirely you.
Yes. But yeah, you just put a little on here, a little sock frame.
Little sock frame.
This is a lot. This should do the whole panel. But yeah,
Oh yeah, get in there.
and the more layers you do, the more layers of wax you do, the easier and less wax it takes. So I lied to you guys that this is not the first layer, and this is why it's going on so easy. This is actually the second.
Movie
just
magic right there, fans.
It'll just get easier and easier.
1 week later.
So our mold's done. There is wax on it, lots of coats of wax. Hopefully.
Shiny.
It's mostly polished, so there shouldn't be a lot of wax on it. That's kind of the idea. Kind of exactly waxing your car, just different wax. Same process, same thing, just done 14 times. And it's mostly done 14 times just so then you don't mess up, because this thing's got to come off. But it's smooth, it's nice, it's shiny. Anyway, so we're ready to do our mold because this is a plug. Despite what anyone ever says, this part is going to die. It's fake. It's just temporary.
I can't wait to break this.
I know. This is all going to be destroyed. I don't know what fashion we're going to do it in, but it'll be fun. First step is the gel coat, which Aiden, my lovely, attractive assistant, I'm over here. Here's our chemicals going on. We got polyester right down there. This is gel coat. Orange tooling gel coat. There's a difference with this. This is made for molds. And so, with it, I'm going to hold the little bottle. That's a little heavy. I'm weak. It's okay. Orange tooling gel coat. So this is specifically made for molds. When you see boats that are white, that's white gel coat. It's not actually paint. So there's a gel coat to have strength in the part, which we're going to go over because we're also going to have that, but it's going to be clear. But that's another story for another day. All right, agitated.
Oh, I'm agitated.
Oh, we're all agitated.
Hey, presto.
Yeah, it's in the cup.
Now what are you doing?
Putting in the MEKP, which this is a
Yep.
polyester. It's for polyester resins. It is a
Go on.
organic peroxide. Ooh. But yeah, what I do know is this thing causes like real cancer. So
That's cool. Good thing you have a gas mask on.
go on, put the bubbles out. All right. It's blood orange, folks. I could have chosen black or this.
I like this.
I like this. It pops. Matches. It reminds me of your eyes, Aiden.
My eyes aren't orange.
Well, when you get mad at me, this is all I see. The reds of your eyes.
Hey, look, it's the Corolla's first coat of paint.
And probably not its last. It's gonna get so much more. Ooh.
Uh-oh. Don't get drippy.
Way way through. This is 2 coats. We're varying a lot because we're using paintbrushes, which
Not the most exact science.
Yeah, that's why we want to use an air gun. Easier. We could go way faster too. We're going slow. There's just so many better reasons to use an air gun. Plus with the evenness. So we're low at 7 mil, and we're at the high of 14. Our target is 20 to 25. So we know where we're low. We're gonna try to target those areas first. Anyway, cool. It's orange or red, and we're gonna throw fiberglass on it. And so this is the first step. Just the gel coat makes a. You can see it looks like it was put on by monkeys. There's all these ribs and stuff like that, but that doesn't matter. It's all about the surface underneath. It's the contact surface that has to be smooth under here. The fiberglass is just creating strength for this. Like, this is just a nice, this is like putting on a layer of tape and then putting like a backing on. It's all about that layer, the first layer, which it's red and covered in gunk. It's hard gunk. So right now this is a gel coat with a thin layer of 3/4 ounce, and then there's a layer of 1.5 ounces. So we're doing all right on thickness. Ideally we want a 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch of like fiberglass from the gel coat, and that's a lot. Anyway, so it's hard, it's ready to go, but we're not even touching this one today. We're gonna gel coat this side. So you're gonna see like we did on the front, gel coat this one, but this one's easier. We're just doing the one side because we're gonna test to see if we have enough stuff, and if I didn't cheap out too much. Plus, again, we're not air spraying it, which would be so much easier and actually make us less wasteful of our product. However, we are very wasteful of our product, and I even had to go back and fix it, which you did not see because John's not here, so mistakes don't happen. It's red, I said before, but now it's multiple layers of red, and actually the proper thickness, according to our handy dandy little measuring device, it's made aluminum. Anyway, so we're gonna throw a bunch of 3/4 ounce on here. It's one of the more important layers just because this gel coat is kind of like a eggshell where it's pretty strong, but however you flick it from the wrong angle, it's gonna shatter and break, and that's what happens. So you have this 3/4 ounce fiberglass mat that covers it, and you can't have any air bubbles in it at all. That's why we use such a thin amount. Plus, a thinner amount is easier to put on. And also, this has no wax in it, and it's polyester resin. And the only way polyester resin dries is the absence of air. So when you have wax in it, it floats to the surface and then creates an air barrier, and that's how it dries quicker. So this has no wax in it. That means by using the fiberglass and polyester resin that has wax in it, then we create that air barrier and lets this dry.
If you look here, you'll see baby Grant's just putting the finishing touches on this.
Yeah, just trying to use up the rest of the resin, so not
Looking
wasteful.
good. Looking real glassy. Oh yeah, you roll that on.
All right, y'all, so we've been coming a long way with the glass. As you saw, Grant and Nate have been going absolutely ham, but now I'm back, so we've been glassing a whole lot more. And as you can see, it's starting to really come together. There's just a couple more layers we got to do. And then from here, we go to whatever the next step Grant said. I can't remember. But, you know, we are getting close. It's hard as a rock. So we're going to, like he said, we're just going to destroy everything under this, which is going to be great, but at the same time, just going to really hurt because we spent months sanding this and making it beautiful. But, hey, do what you got to do. All right, fans, so we're actually about to start glassing again here. Grant's going to grind everything up, and we're going to go back at it. By the time we're done glassing, the car will pretty much still look the same, so we're just going to cut the video here. So, Grant, do you have anything to say? Oh, he's gone. Oh, well. All right, well, I'm just going to end this then. So, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please like and subscribe. We'll have a new video for you guys very, very soon. If you like this video, you will get a wide body kit from the Corolla.